Ireland, Saturday, November 23, 2024. Heavy rain from Storm Bert has caused significant damage to Bridge Street in Killybegs and surrounding areas in Donegal, on Saturday, November 23, 2024, evening. The flooding was caused by trees falling into the river, changing the course of the river. In addition to Killybegs, flooding also occurred in Abbeyfeale, West Limerick, as the River Feale overflowed its banks, flooding residences' homes.
Down from the bank.
In addition to the flooding, Storm Bert also caused snowstorms in several points in Donegal, such as in Meenaroy and in Barnesmore, causing temporary road closures, until the route was cleared. Then significant snow accumulations also occurred in Killyclug, Letterkenny, which left residents without electricity at that time.